All right, if you're like me, you may have picked up Meta Quest 3, 3S, something like that. But I find I end up just, because I use it over here all the time, and I end up just kind of having it sitting on the floor because I have nowhere to put it. And then I go to use it and it's not charged, etc., etc. So I bought this. It was the cheapest, and I bought it. It's the cheapest MetaQuest 3, 3S charging stand thing that I could find on Amazon. It came out at like 32 bucks, 33 bucks, something like that. So not bad. It's this one here, KAFRI. KAFRI. Why not? Light control buttons, press. I don't really know. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. Again, I really just wanted something that I could put this up to the side. It would charge. Cool. I didn't have to think about it. And then when I ever felt like actually playing it, I knew that it was going to be charged and ready to go. And at 32 bucks, 33 bucks, something like that. Canadian. I thought worth the chance, the risk. Look, thank you. Oh, well, you're welcome. So welcome. Anyways, looks like it's just all one piece. Nothing has to be put together. That's nice. Is there like a, I guess 24-month warranty, 90-day money back guarantee? Okay. That seems to be all that's in there though. Just so you guys know, that seems to be it. And that's all. It has a little USB-C to USB-C and another USB-C to use, a long one and a short one. Yes, a long one and a short one. Okay. And then it has the charging stand. Because that's the other thing for me, right? I end up putting it somewhere, and then I'm just like, firstly, the controllers. Like, I don't even know where my controllers, there they are. They're over here. Yes? Now, the question really becomes, I have, as you can see, these silicone little grippy things on them, and I'm hoping that they'll still kind of sit in here with that, I don't know if they will. Is that going to be an issue? Is that going to be a concern? It very well might be, because I also have these handles, right? So do they sit here? I don't even know what this is. There's no pictures. There's no nothing. All right. So I'm looking at the pictures, and yeah, because of the pictures, you really can't have any kind of case thingy on them, right? Because, they're supposed to, I guess you can, they're just not they're gonna stick out more than normal, right? Because this, of course, is just, they'll go in there, right? It's there. Yes. Just not as good, I guess, if it was not with a silicone case on, but whatever. It's not as if you're supposed to charge, and I can tuck the little cable things down in here, maybe. I'm guessing those can just tuck in there. It's really these handle parts. Whatever, should be fine. And then you'd have this, and this, all this does, again, I guess, it's just, it sits on there. It just sits like so. And then I would take this and snug this up. Yes, right? As short as it'll go. Yes, just kind of, there's like a little notchy thing there. Does this, like, if this was up? See, that's the issue with this one, right? You may be able to tell. So, like, it sits, but I guess you'd really want to have this, like, even if it was all the way up. See how it falls back. So the issue with this one is that it's not designed to have this big weighted thing on it, right? But if there's a table behind it, then, like, I guess it's okay. See, this fell out. They should have made these here bigger, right? Because now what I kind of have to do is, if I want to stick them in there, I don't know, maybe I could take that off and just kind of stick them like that. That looks stupid, right? Because now you got this so that you can get this small enough so that it sits in there. That looks like it's not made, and then this has to sit way back. Anyways, then you have this, it's all gone to hell. It's all gone to hell. Maybe I need to find one of these that fits better. It'll probably be fine for where it's gonna sit. But this, of course, yeah, I'm guessing plugs in the side here. And then this goes in, because I have the battery on here, this would come out here and plug in here to charge. And again, that's the other issue, right? I want something that plugs in possibly back here, because this is where I have the extra battery pack. Not that it's a huge deal, but it is. And then this, we would plug, there's a little spot in the back here that has a USB spot, it looks like, yes, that you plug in. Okay. Yes, I'm guessing. And then this would go into power. Yes. So if I had power somewhere, I think I have power right here. This should be able to go into one of these. Yes, maybe. Does this have power in it? I don't know. Yep. Oh yeah, see? You guys see it? I hope you guys can see it. See it light up? It lights up all pretty. Right? Oops. See, it's falling out again. But anyway, it lights up nice. That's nice. I'm not a fan of those, though. I'm not completely down with, for sure, you know? Because now I gotta get this all back into its place here, and it's just pain in my ass. Yep. And that doesn't squeeze down the way I want it to. Like, it'll go, just it's more of a nuisance. Let's call it as it is, right? Definitely more of a nuisance. And then this, we slide down as far as possible, and then we tip it in there. Okay, that fits a bit better. You just kind of really gotta squish it in better. Okay, so that part actually doesn't fit horribly. It is the back part though, right? I guess the bonus is, you know what? You could have all this plugged in, and for me, if every once in a while I was like, you know what, I gotta charge the battery. So I could just be like, okay, I'm just gonna unplug this and just kind of plug this in instead, right? And my battery would charge. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Will it work? Sure. Is it a great place to store it? Put it up somewhere? Yeah, it should be fine. Are there better ones out there? Yeah, probably. I think it'll work great if you don't have any accessories on your MetaQuest, and it's just right out of the box. It probably would do it just fine, especially because of the weight, right? This has some weight on the back, which I like. $30, can't go too wrong. It's got some nice lights. Is it perfect? No. I wish there was something that you kind of clamp this into, right? So that it clamped in and stayed in place versus, you know, the fact that it just lifts off. I would like the clamp. Anyways, there's also this little, is there a button here? I don't know what that does. It seems you push it, you take it out. I don't even know. I'm curious what the button does. Because again, I didn't see. Oh, it changes the different kind of colors. I see. So you can go through your different colors here, depending on what you want. If you want just blue, you want to cycle through the colors, right? I like the cycling. Cycling's cool. That's all right. But yeah, I wish it would just do more than just sit like that. Anyways, there you go. You've seen it. If you like it, I'll put links down below. If you don't, you can use the link to go get something else, because that'll help the channel too. You know, use the link to get a link. Why not? All right, guys. I love you all, and we'll see you guys next video. Later.